In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove yourself as an admin from Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to menu, and then, guys, first off, we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to a page. To do that, tap right here at that arrow and then select your page. Once you have switched to your page, I'm going to close it for now. Once you have switched to your page, head over to menu and then tap Add Gear to open up Settings. On Settings, we need to tap right here at this search button. And then I'm going to search for access. That's how we can easily find page access feature. We need to get into it. And it will show us all the users that are currently admins on the selected page. As you can see, I am the only admin now for that page, and that means that I cannot remove myself from here. So if I tap at these three dots, it shows me just option to view access. It means that first off, we need to add another user as an admin to that page. To do that, I'm gonna tap at Add User, hit Next, and then we need to find our secondary account or maybe our friend's account whom we would like to invite to that page as an admin. I'm just gonna search for my test account in that way. Here it is. Now we can select that account and hit Add Give Access. On the next step, it will ask you to enter your profile password to confirm your identity. Once you've entered it, hit Add Confirm. That will send an invitation to the selected user. Here it says that invite expires in 31 days. So now that user needs to accept that invitation. That is my another Facebook account. Here at notifications we can find that invite. So to accept it, first off we need to tap on it, then we need to tap at review invite, then next, and then accept, then not now. It says here that invite accepted. Now we can go out of page settings and then we just need to re-enter it actually to refresh its data. Here it is no longer says that invite is waiting to be accepted here. It means that now we can remove ourselves from that group as an admin. To do that, we can just tap right here at three dots and then choose Remove from Page. It will also ask us to enter our Facebook password to continue, and then just hit Add Confirm to remove yourself as an admin from that page. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.